Imagine being able to write a perfect blog post, design stunning graphics, or code a new app in minutes, all with a single click. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the 5 AI tools that can turn that imagination into reality and why you'll want to start using them today. These tools aren't just for tech experts, they're built for anyone hungry for faster results. First, a conversational AI that can draft emails, brainstorm ideas, or explain complex topics in plain language. It learns from billions of sentences, so it predicts the next word that makes sense, giving you coherent paragraphs instantly. The result is a reliable writing assistant that saves hours of typing and research each week. You can also ask it to summarize long articles in seconds. Second, an image generator that turns simple text prompts into professional quality pictures. By analyzing millions of photos, it learns how shapes, colors, and lighting combine, then creates a brand new image that matches your description. Whether you need a product mockup, a social media banner, or a creative illustration, this tool delivers visuals in seconds. You can even tweak the style with a few extra words. Third, a video AI that automates editing tasks like background removal, caption syncing, and scene transitions. It studies the footage frame by frame, identifies subjects, and applies effects without manual keyframing. This means you can produce polished clips for YouTube or TikTok in minutes instead of hours, even if you have no editing experience. The AI also suggests music that fits the mood. Fourth, a data analysis assistant that reads spreadsheets, finds patterns, and creates charts with a single command. It uses statistical models to spot trends, outliers, and correlations, then explains the findings in plain English. This turns raw numbers into actionable insights, helping small businesses and students make smarter decisions without hiring a specialist. You can ask it to predict next month's sales with just the current data. Fifth, a voice synthesis tool that can mimic any human tone from a short audio sample. By modeling vocal frequencies and speech patterns, it generates natural sounding narration or dialogue in multiple languages. Creators use it for podcasts, audiobooks, and accessibility, saving time and money while keeping a consistent brand voice. The AI also adjusts speed and emotion to match your script. Beyond content, AI can link apps together, automating repetitive tasks like moving emails to a CRM or posting updates across platforms. By interpreting plain language triggers, it creates workflows that run automatically, freeing your brain for creative work. Even small teams can build complex pipelines without writing code. You simply describe the action, and the AI builds the integration step by step. Now you've seen how AI can write, draw, edit, analyze, speak, and automate each tool, turning hours into minutes. Start experimenting with one today, and you'll quickly feel the productivity boost. Remember, the future isn't coming, it's already in your hands, waiting for you to press play. Subscribe for more AI tips and share which tool you'll try first. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite AI, and hit the subscribe bell for weekly tech shortcuts. Your engagement fuels the channel, and together we'll keep exploring the tools that shape tomorrow's work and creativity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video soon.